Hello everybody, I want to show you this video a quick unboxing of the Huawei P30 Pro. So first of all, we have to remove the plastic. So use a knife for something like this, and let us remove the plastic. So that's this. So now we can open the Huawei P30 Pro. So, and that's the device. The fingerprint sensor. See, let us remove the plastic here. Here we have the 4 cams, no? And this is the one for the optical zoom. So it have a hybrid zoom. So the zoom is here at this place, and it's working with a mirror. The device looks very nice, high quality. So I took the black version here. And yeah, so it seems to be very nice. Okay, but we want to know what is included next to the phone. So let us open it, and we have here the pin, of course, to remove the SIM tray. And then we have here some quick start guides, a warranty card. So this quick start guide is in many languages, and yeah, so it's just the basics. One is what is what for, and so on and so on. So we have a power adapter, of course. So it is very heavy, the power adapter, and with this supercharging system, you could charge your phone in a half hour with 70%. So amazing, and it is really heavy. So here we will have the USB. So the USB cable with USB type C, and we have here as well the headphone also with USB type C. So it means it have no audio jack again, and also no adapter like the P20. The phone make a very nice impression, and I've showed you already some videos what you can do with your phone, and I want to do also more videos. So if you're interested in, stay tuned on my channel. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, and yeah, or it may just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe next time. Ciao!